Hello and welcome, class of 2027. Today, I will be showing you how to fill out and submit your course requests. To begin, make sure you have a sticker at the top of your first page stating your last and first name plus your student ID. This should go right here. If any of this is missing, talk to a counselor or a teacher. After that, please put your phone number, if you have one, and your parents' phone number. This goes here. This is so we can reach out to you if we need any additional information. Once you finish filling out the front, look over at the long list of credit requirements. This is what is required to graduate, but we'll talk more about that later. Now, flip over your page to see the long list of classes on the back. One of the most amazing things about HRV is the amount of classes you can take. As a freshman, you're required to take 4 core classes. These are LA, Math, Science, and Global Studies. Global Studies is basically just a social studies class. In Language Arts, any freshman can take LA 9, but for honors at LA 9, you need to have a teacher recommendation or have earned an A or a B in 8th grade. For Math, Algebra 1 is the starting position, but you need to have a teacher recommendation for any of the other classes. For Science, Pattern Physics is the entrance class, but for Physics or AP Physics, you need to have a teacher recommendation and be concurrently enrolled in Algebra 2 or Advanced Algebra Trigonometry. Global Studies, everyone can take all the classes. So make sure to talk to your teachers about Math, Science, and LA. However, after these, you get to pick up to 8 of your own classes. These can be anything that you'd like. I will say, though, that it is better to take a language class, like shown here. You can take French, Spanish, or Spanish for Spanish speakers. Aside from your core classes and maybe a language class, the rest is up to you. That being said, you do have to look at the big blue boxes, these here. These will tell you if a class you can take is going to be half a school year long, also known as a semester, or a full year long. These classes right here are a year long, and then these classes here are half a semester long. Next, if you look at the front of your second sheet, you'll see an option for 0 period. This is a class before school. It's a bit early, but sometimes it's worth it. You also have the option to take a study hall. This is basically a free period where you can catch up on homework or do any extra assignments. If you have any more questions on any of the classes you can take as a freshman, you can look online at the academic planning guide. Everything you need to know about a class is on there. Now let's actually fill out our sheets. You will do this on the sheet with a big 1 at the top. That's this one. Then just start filling out your desired classes. Once you have finished, have your parents sign it, and then you sign it. This is right here. Next, you will need to do the same thing, but in Hack. To do this, log into Hack. Once you're in, click on Classes, then the Request tab. This is where you will put down all of the classes you just marked on your sheet. If you have any questions on how to do this, you can ask one of your teachers or a counselor. HRV is a great school with a variety of different classes. Go slow while filling out your sheet and have fun with it. These are going to be the classes you have next year, so make them count.